Hi guys, Andrew from Merlin here. Today I'm going to show you how to program remote controls into our latest model motors that carry the Merlin Security Plus 2.0 technology. Very easy process. We take one remote control, and to learn it in, we need to find our Learn button on the motor, which is the yellow round button on this motor, just here. What we do, take your remote, choose your desired remote button that you wish to use, press and hold it in, do not let go. Whilst you're holding it in, press and release the yellow button on the motor, let go of everything, and all of a sudden, that remote is now trained to that motor. If we're going to use one of our roller door motors, the process is very similar. Open the flap, locate the yellow Save button or Learn button. To learn a remote in, once again, we grab our remote, we press and hold in our remote, do not let go of it. Whilst holding it in, press and release the yellow button, give it a try. Programmed in. Deletion of remotes, very easy again. What we do if we want to delete all the remotes that this motor knows is we go back to our yellow round button, we press and hold it in, and we keep it held in. After about 8 seconds, what you'll find is the little indicator light LED right next to the yellow button will go out. When it goes out, take your finger off the button and you'll find that the remote has now been deleted. Roller door motors, slightly different procedure on this one. Press and hold in the button, you'll notice it flashed once. After about 8 seconds, it's going to flash a second time. There we go, that remote is all deleted. If ever you need information on this or any of our other products, always feel free to contact Merlin.